Thanks everyone present at our presentation. We are Group 11 and my name is Junqing. Other members, they are Yifeng, Weichen, and Lingshen. In this presentation, we are going to talk about how we're using the knowledge from the Master of ICT degree to analyze the real company's issue and give some recommendations. A few months ago, our team contacted with the local business named is Multicultural Council of Tasmania. The organization is a small organization that currently has 5 part-time staff and 13 volunteers. The organization has a good business strategy, and the main ICT strategy is data collection, which is collection and sharing of the general data on multiculturalism. We have analysis the strategies from the SWO team, as the table shows that there are 4 sections and the result. There are 2 parts that are most important, which are 2 weaknesses. The lack procedures to receive organization knowledge and focus on exclusive. 3 opportunities, like a multicultural population keep growing, new communication groups, and public weakness. After we done this analysis, the other 3 overview of the current situation has been presented, which are knowledge and information management, data management technology, and ICT system strategy and management. Knowledge and information management. There are 3 major ICT tools, which are communication tools, knowledge and information storage tools, and social media tools. From data management technology, using Excel for this organization is convenient, but after years running, they are getting heaps of Excel for the staff and the client information. There are 4 main departments and must through each department to share information and getting contribution. Later, they will be sending each other email via internal survey. In this situation, the ICT strategy and management are needed.
We come up with 4 major problems from Multicultural Council of Tasmania and 4 possible opportunities that could solve or minimize the influence of the problem. The first problem that Multicultural Council of Tasmania facing is low efficiency on satisfying the needs of their customer, and this caused by 5 different root reasons, which are lack of transformation process in knowledge and information management, limited human resources and communication tools, outdated ICT strategy in data storage. All the above reduce the efficiency of recording information of their members and result in solving repeated requirements from different customers. Before introducing the opportunity, we import a ranking system which other organizations use to measure how good the opportunities are, and they have 4 factors, which are risks, benefits, costs, and timing. The sum of them will give the ranking of the opportunities. The first opportunity could help to reduce the redundant requirements is building a video sharing platform that delivering the knowledge of those questions that are emergency or has the highest frequency. It might not only solve the problem 1, but more in the future from knowledge and information management perspective. And the total rank for this opportunity is around 16. The second problem is low knowledge efficiency, which caused by lack of data storage system, and the ICT technology strategy of the organization is outdated and unclear, so that the development of the organization has been delayed. The opportunity will be really straightforward, that to centralize the data storage on cloud or on-site, and form an updated ICT technology strategy for future development, where now is the perfect timing for Multicultural Council of Tasmania to start. These opportunities could ensure the integrity of the data and greatly improve the operational efficiency. It could also provide a chance for organization to analyze the organizational performance. The total rank of this opportunity is 17. And welcome next person on problems and opportunities 3 and 4.
Next, I will introduce the third problem that organizations face, that is inefficient time schedule. The reason for this problem are incomplete data storage, job done-sharing board missing, and lack of time management. These problems hinder employees from working efficiently. In response to this problem, we propose an opportunity 3. Establish a time scheduling system. The advantages of the time scheduling system is that you can see your task and the priority of everything more intuitively. For example, there are time scheduling called Connect Team, which are used by many size of businesses. And this system can be used on computers and smartphones, which helps many businesses to solve the scheduling problem and make work easier for workers. The time scheduling system also increases efficiency and improves the organization. Ranking this opportunity, we give it a high score of 19 because its income well isn't expensive and has the right timing to launch. The fourth problem the organization faces is insufficient information sharing. Due to the lack of information documents, data sharing pages lacking, and information sharing slowly, the work efficiency is low. Building an information sharing system is an opportunity to address this problem. However, due to the high risk of implementation of the opportunity and the expensive purchase of the shell systems, we do not believe that this is the right time to start the program. Finally, this is the scoring ranking of the total for opportunity. The time scheduling system scored the highest, and it was the plan that we thought needs to be executed the most, followed by centralized data storage and video sharing platform. The last place is the information sharing system. Next part will be the recommendation.
Hello, I'm Wei Chen. I'm going to introduce the recommendations we propose for KIT. Based on our analysis of opportunities in previous section, we identified 4 recommendations, including 2 short-term recommendations, which will take less than 3 months to implement, and 2 long-term recommendations, which will take around 1 year to implement. First, I would to introduce the implementation plan for the short-term recommendations. The implementation plan for the schedule system has 4 stages. First is the evaluation, considering the cost and function of the system to meet MCOT's situation, followed by implementation, include purchasing and installation of softwares to organizations' computers. Then necessary training needs to be provided to managers and employees about how to use the system. Lastly, to collect feedbacks of the system from employees. The implementation plan of the video sharing platform has 3 stages. First is to identify topics of videos to meet customers' interest. The next one is to make videos and build a platform. The last one step is to inform customers about the platform and make necessary changes based on their feedbacks. The changes and impacts of these short-term recommendations are here. So we can see is as a result, the efficiency of the organization and its interaction with customers can be improved. Come to the long-term recommendations. First, it's the information share system. There are 4 stages, starting from the prioritization to decide its function and which applications to be used. Then to design the system with the help of ICT professionals. Nextly, is to install the system to the organization's computer and provide training to all staffs. Last step is to collect feedback and check the capability of the system. Similarly, the centralized data storage also needs 4 steps. During preparation, the organization needs to determine how many documents they have and the data entry process. Then with consultation with IT professionals, the features of the storage will be designed. Through the implementation, the focus is on personal, technology, and procedure changes. At last, review is conducted on the performance of the storage and feedback from other staff. These are the changes and impacts of the long-term recommendations. The most notable changes is both of the recommendations can greatly improve the organization's efficiency. To conclude, through our analysis of MCOT's organizational strategy, we identified 4 problems and 4 opportunities. And at last, we proposed 4 recommendations to help the organization to improve its operation. Thank you.